Hi dear students, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today's our topic is very interesting, countable and uncountable nouns. Of course book, unit number 6, this is a bird. So today's page number is 62 and I'm going to describe you countable noun and uncountable noun. It's understood from the word countable noun, we can judge what is the meaning of countable noun. Countable noun mean those objects which we can count easily. For example, this one is a mug, this one is countable. This is a single tree, countable. 1, 2. Eggs, these are also countable. These are the pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this one is the last 7. So these markers, pointers also countable. So now I am going to describe about the uncountable nouns. So here students, you can see this is the water bottle, and now I am going to, you can see here, this one is glass. Glass is a countable. If I will talk about the water, is this countable or uncountable? It's understood it's can't count, so it's uncountable. Can we count it? No, we can't count it. So like this, we will take the example of the milk. If I will open it like water, we cannot count it. So now there is another example of oil. If I will put it in cup like this, you can see here. Is this countable? No, this is not countable. So here students, I hope you can easily understand the concept of the countable and uncountable. So now, countable noun are people, animals, places or things that we can count. We can count these pencils, we can count these chairs, we can count this table. So this is countable. And we can count the persons, how many persons are, how many girls are in class, so we can count it. So this is countable. A bird lays eggs, how many eggs? We can count. Cat sat by the window. This is countable. Uncountable nouns are things we cannot count. Please put some sugar in my tea. So how much sugar we needed in the tea? It's uncountable. The rain stopped, or if you will talk about the rain, can you count it? No, we can't count it. We can't count the drops of the rain. So finally students, I am going to read the statement. Write the nouns in the box below in the correct column. Kites, milk, tree, bucket, money, shoes, floor, oil, grass, snow. So here students, now I am going to give the examples of the countable nouns we have to recognize from the box, and we have to write it in countable column. If I will talk about kites, it's understood it's countable. So we will write here in countable here. Now milk is countable or uncountable. We have to take the example of milk. This is uncountable, so we will write here. Tree, this is countable, you can see here, so we will write here countable noun. Bucket, this is countable, we will write here. Money, this is also countable, if we will count the money, so this is countable, we will write here. Shoes, countable. Floor, oil, grass, snow. Floor, oil, grass, snow. These are the uncountable nouns. So we have to write here in uncountable noun column. So here students, finally we have understood the concept of the countable and uncountable noun. The things we can easily count, that is countable, and the objects we cannot count that, so that is uncountable noun. Thank you.